So I went onto our Walters and Wolf YouTube channel and I wanted to better myself and watch some of our Revit videos so that I could educate myself on how we're using Revit in drafting. So I went to our playlists and tried to find a Revit playlist, and there was none. And I go to drafting and there's one whole video and it's in AutoCAD. I do notice we have a Revit playlist over here, but it's locked, and I believe that that's a hidden playlist for some super secret reason. I don't know why. So again, I couldn't view anything on my phone because it was a hidden playlist, and then there's nothing there for drafting. When I go to videos, Alan has been doing a great job of creating lots of videos to demonstrate the little add-in tools, Revit drafting add-ins. And those are the things I want to learn and see how they're working, but they're not all in one playlist. And we have about 8 months worth of videos to scroll through to get all this Revit videos in one place. So I'm going to take a little bit of my time on this Saturday and add all of these Revit drafting add-in videos to the drafting playlist, and I will show you what we come up with in the end, and hopefully this helps other people out. Okay, so I took a few minutes, I went through the videos and found all the ones that had that add-in, and so now the drafting playlist has 27 videos in it, and if we hit play all, we'll see the list of them. So again, fortunately, Alan did a nice job of keeping his naming convention consistent, so it was easy to find. So all the ones that were Revit drafting add-ins are all here, part of this list. And so now we have them all in one place. So this is a great place now for me to just scroll and watch this playlist and better understand our new tools in Revit. Thanks.